Look at this, guys. This box just showed up. I just cut it open because I wasn't expecting nothing, so I don't know what this is. And then I open it up and find out that someone sent us a little present. So let me open this up. Very nicely boxed. Look at this. It's got stickers all over, fragile and, you know, fish, live fish, all kinds of stickers everywhere on it. They're all over the place. This side up. This was done like a professional packing job. And look, they even put the thing in with a hole in the center. You can pick it up. That's an amazing idea right there. I love that. But you open this up and look at this. This is from Jason's Plecos and Cichlids. Wow. This is our old buddy Jason. He used to live up here, and you know, or he lived close, but he didn't have a pet store at the time. So, you know, it's been a while. I haven't talked to him because he's been busy with his new pet. Look how flashy that is. Oh, my goodness. It's a chroma sticker. Very nice. I wish ours looked like that. All right, so let me put this aside. Then we're going to open this up. Very nicely packaged. Nice material. Surrounded. What is this? Oh, it's a baby Maboo puffer. Here, let me see if I can get a better picture of that. Let me close the box up. Okay, put him on here. Oh, you can't see him. Poor guy. There he is. Oh, there you can see him. He's about 4 inches long. 3.5, 4 inches long. So cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can zoom in on him. I know it's hard to see through the package, but look how cute he is. Here's my side. Look at him. Here's my fingers by him. You can see the size. He's the size of my first finger. Such a cutie. Oh my God. Thank you, Jason. Guys, definitely check out Jason's Plecos and Cichlids. There's a guy that runs it, is a good guy. And, you know, he got married a few years back. He's just doing everything to do for this. He went from being a hobbyist to a pet store owner. So your mom and pop shops, we gotta all, you know, stand behind them. Very nice. Jason, you are the man. Tell your wife I said hi and thank you guys. He, I guess he saw the video of us losing Lavaca and wanted to help. But I was talking to another guy, and you guys are all going to know, but I'm not going to tell you about this now. Oh, look at that face. You guys are all going to know him, but he called and wanted to get us a puffer. And I told him, I was like, you know, I can't, I'd like to get, you know, 3 or more. I mean, he's going to get us one, so I'll buy the other 2. And we had this plan all set up because you got to have 3 together. Like, remember we tried putting Lavaca and Pittsburgh together, and they went to killing each other. So you got to either raise them together. That's possible. It could go that way, or 3 together, and they won't bother each other. So we want to start off with 3 and raise them together. So our buddy's getting us the 1, and then we got this one unexpected. So now I got to buy 1 more, and we'll be in there. We'll have our trio. I thought I was going to have to buy 2, but Jason, come in. You know, he slid right in on, and you know, it just. Thank you, Jason. You the man. So I'll let you guys know on this other one as soon as we get that deal worked out, because you guys are all going to know him too. And I can't say nothing without letting the bag out, letting the cat out of the bag. So, all right. So Jason's Plecos and Cichlids, everybody. Great guy. Known him for, probably about 15 years now, something like that. And okay, here he is in with all the babies, and you can see his belly there. He already ate. You can see the lump in it. He's doing good. He's in with all the other babies that came in, because we're feeding this tank bloodworms and mice shrimp, you know, all the little stuff. What's the other one? I'm not remembering the name right now. Brine shrimp. So everybody's got a nice quality. Look how fat these guys have gotten in a week that they've been here. They're grown. They're doubled their size. They're doing great. And even the big African arrow, he comes down and gobbles them up. He's doing good. Let's see if I can get him to move. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to scare you. I just wanted you to swim a little. Okay, so once again, Jason, thank you so much. He's a cool little guy. And there he is. And we appreciate it, buddy. You guys check out Jason's Plecos and cichlids. I'll leave the link in the description. Now this is something you don't see every day. Josh has never gone in this tank with the air breathing apparatus. He's always lowered the tank down and then he had to come up for air. And this makes it easier for him. He had to clean the glass of this tank. And you guys can see now the size of the tank itself. Okay, now, did water changes there, here, this cichlid tank, this tank, and this tank, and I vacuumed it out 3 times on the way down, and it still got debris in there. And then did a water change on there. So this whole wall is fresh water. We're good for the weekend. I can go ahead and close these lids now. There we go. So now this job is done. This whole wall of tanks is all fresh water all the way down today. And I did like a 90% water change. Just left it enough where the fish could be on the bottom. Because we're not putting fresh water in, we're putting our system water in, which is already at 20 parts per million. So if this was up to 40 or 60, I took it all the way down to where there was only 3 inches of water left and then filled it up with our water. For the fact that I don't have a hose run out here, and if I do, it's a garden hose, and then I can't temper the water, it'll go in cold. So that's the way we've been doing these water changes on these tanks. Something we have to do. So now I've got to run, actually, I want a sink in here and then run water to it, and then I'll be able to temper water and change water with fresh chlorinated water and use safe or prime or something like that. And then we'll move these tomorrow. I figured I'd get you some more member content. Okay, so there's Josh on his knees. Look at this little bit of space. Here is my hand, and then it goes up, touches the ceiling. So you've got a hand and a half that he crawls in to get on top. Why would you splash me like that? Why would you splash me like that?
Did that splash you?
It came right on out and hit me right in my forehead, my cheek, my nose, my chin.
I wish you got that on camera.
Oh my God.
I mean, the water level is like a half inch from when I was
Stop doing that. Yeah. And he wants to play like he didn't know he did it for real. There you go, Skylar. That's a little guy. Go ahead, jump in. Don't be scared. That's good footage right there.
I got some really good footage. I don't care about cold water at this point. What is that? I swear to God, I better have been filming that entire time.
You weren't?
No, I was.
Okay. What's up, Jerry?
I have to acclimate myself first.
This is Ohio Fish Rescue's first acclimation of a human to the pond. We got the new puffers in today. These fucking things are eating my toes. So all 3 puffers are in there.
Fruit's okay down there?
Yeah.
Is it because the water's so cold?
She says, why is the water so cold? Just walk down a little farther. You can. Just walk farther. Walk a little farther out there.
I'll do it tomorrow and we'll have something to talk about on the live stream.
Okay. Your big old chicken shit. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. I wanted to show you how, you know, the redtail cat and the little arapaima, the smaller one, Bruiser, was healing up and doing good in the pool here. And we got Skylar to go in for us. Thank you, Skylar, for that. That was awesome. And we got some underwater footage. Yes. So hope you guys liked it. You know, we enjoy making these videos for you. Hope you enjoy watching them. You know, till next time, stay fishy, my friends.